How to convert BTC to USDt on Bitgate. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to convert BTC to USDT on Bitgate. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Bitgate application on a device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the square icon at top left corner of the screen. Scroll down, select Convert option. On the Conversion page, tap the drop-down arrow in the From section and you have to simply choose BTC from the list. Simply you can search with the help of the search icon and then select BTC to USDT. After that, you can easily input the amount of BTC you wish to convert and the equivalent USDT will be displayed. You can tap the preview and then hit the convert button at the bottom to complete the transaction, and that's it. That is how you can easily convert BTC to USDT on Bitgate. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching.